Alright guys, so I got the new bumper, and right now I'm just transferring stuff from the old bumper to the new one here. I'm just organizing the piece. I already tossed this on, and I'm repairing a broken tab off of this right now. I'm going to clean all this stuff up, try and get it on. I still got to swap out the grill from the original one and transfer that over. It looks like I'm going to have to drill some of this stuff out here and probably put some rivets. I got to take a closer look at it, but I'm going to need to transfer that because of these tabs here. And that's it. Let's see what it looks like when we're done. Alright guys, well she's done over here. Everything's looking good. She got new painted, pearl white. Got it listed for sale right now. Everything came out smooth. There's some flies over here. Look at that. So I did get it back from the painters. Pretty much the car's 100% done now. Let's see if we get inside over here. Oh. Woo! Starts right up, a little warmish. Let's put the top down. That's how she looks. Completely done. So here's the engine compartment here. So someone was asking how to take this fender off. So this strip here you want to take off. You got these plastic clips here. Once you take them off, there's bolts underneath. So you want to take this off. There's also another bolt right in here. Another one about midway, probably right around here, and then two underneath. You're going to have to take the skirt off to get to that, and you're going to need a really thin driver to get between the door when you open the door up to get to those bolts. Yeah, take the inner fending completely out, and then you're going to have two bolts on the inside here. Once you're going to have to take the front bumper off and slide the light out to get these two bolts out, and that's how you get the fender off.